Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today I am going to start an MCQ series on class 11th Geography NCERT chapter 1. You might be wondering, why do we need to study NCERT for SSC exams? So let me show you why it is so important to study NCERT. So I was going through SSC CGL 2023 questions. Just by going through 2 or 3 sets, I found out a couple of questions, and I'm going to show it in the next slide. So see here, there are some questions. Let us try to solve them from the NCERT clipping given over here. The first question is, which of the following state is not a part of the Tapi Basin? Not a part. And here you can see the NCERT page, and it is given nearly 79% of the basin lies in Maharashtra, and 15% lies in Madhya Pradesh, and the remaining in Gujarat. So here you can clearly see the answer 3 is not a part of Tapi Basin. The next question is, the Kanchenjunga peak is located in which subdivision of Himalayas? So here you can see the Kanchenjunga, which is also known as Kanchengiri. It is a part of the Darjeeling and Sikkim Himalayas. So here the answer 3 is again correct. The next question is, the part of Himalayas lying between the Sutlej and Dash river is known as the Kumaon Himalayas. So here you can see the part of the Himalayas lying between the Sutlej and Kali river is known as the Kumaon Himalayas, and there are other types of Himalayas you can read in the NCERT. The next question is, identify the group of states that are covered in the Sardar Sarovar project. So some of you might know that the Sardar Sarovar project is on the river Narmada, and here you can see I am highlighting the Narmada river basin. You have to understand that the states near the river Narmada would be covered under this project, right? So here we have to use elimination. Gujarat, Punjab, Haryana. Punjab and Haryana are states somewhere located around here. You can see in the map. So this these states would not be linked to Narmada. So the first option is incorrect. The Gujarat, Rajasthan, Karnataka, Telangana. See, Telangana is somewhere around here, and it is not so close to Narmada. So this option is also incorrect. The option number 3 is Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat and Rajasthan. So these states are nearby river Narmada. So this might be the correct answer, and it is the correct answer. See, option number 3 is correct. So the final question explaining you about the importance of NCERT is, which of the following states in India during October and December receive rainfall due to the northeast monsoon? Northeast monsoon is also known as the retreating monsoon. If you study the Ncert, it is given there. And the states over which it rains mostly is Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. So here you can easily eliminate the answer containing Tamil Nadu, and option number 3 is again correct. I hope you understood the importance of NCERT. So without wasting any time, let us begin. The first question is, what is the latitudinal extent of India? What do you mean by latitudinal extent? The distance, what do you mean by latitudinal extent? What do you mean by latitudinal extent? It means that the location of India between 2 latitudes. So the answer over here is 8 degree 4 minutes north and 37 degree 6 minutes north. In this map you can easily see 8 degree 4 minutes north and 37 degree 6 minutes north. Why north is used is because it is north of the equator. So now let us see the various points which are very important from the exam perspective. Is 37 degree 6 minutes north. The point here, it is known as Indira Col. And the southernmost point, most of you might know, is known as Cape Comorin. Moreover, let us see the longitudinal extent of India. It is from 68 degree 7 minutes east to 97 degrees 25 minutes east. And the points over here are at 68 degrees 7 minutes east is Ghuvar, Moti, and at 97 degree 25 minutes east is Kibitu, which is located in Arunachal Pradesh. Moving on to the next question, the Tropic of Cancer does not pass through which of the following states? The correct answer here would be option number D, which is Odisha. Let us see the map and figure out the states from which the Tropic of Cancer passes. It actually passes through 8 states. The first state is Gujarat. The second state is Rajasthan. Here you can see it is cutting the Rajasthan also. The third state is Madhya Pradesh. The fourth one is Chhattisgarh. Fifth one Jharkhand. Sixth one West Bengal. And seventh and eighth one are Tripura and Mizoram. Now let us see the trick to remember the states through which the Tropic of Cancer passes. The trick is Gujarat's Raja Madhya went with Chief Justice Bengali on a trip to Mizoram. Now this is the trick, and let us see what does it mean. From Gujarat we have to remember Gujarat, Raja we have to remember Rajasthan, Madhya we have to remember Madhya Pradesh, went with is additional, Chief we have to remember Chhattisgarh, Justice we have to remember Jharkhand, Bengali we can remember West Bengal, from trip we can remember Tripura, and from Mizoram we have to remember Mizoram. So this is the trick to remember Tropic of Cancer. Moving on to the next question, which one of the following longitude is the standard meridian for India? And the correct option here would be option number B, 82 degree 30 minutes east. Now in the map you can see that the line passes through various states, so we have to remember this also. And this line you can see it is known as the Indian Standard Meridian, and this is the line used to have a synchronous time all around India. And now it passes through 5 states, and we have to remember the names of these states. The first one is UP, the second one is MP, the third one is Chhattisgarh, the fourth one is Odisha, and the final one is Andhra Pradesh. And the trick to remember this is Macau, the sound made by monkeys. Macau. M for Madhya Pradesh, A for Andhra Pradesh, C for Chhattisgarh, O for Odisha, and U for UP. Next question. Raghav hails from a country which does not share land boundary with India. Identify the country. So here you can easily eliminate Bhutan, Myanmar and Bangladesh. You all know that these are neighboring countries. So the option B, Uzbekistan, is a country that does not share the boundary with India. Now let us see the countries that share boundary with India. There are around 7 countries that share land boundaries with India, and 2 countries in the southern part which are our neighbors. The 7 countries are in the northwest. We can see Pakistan and Afghanistan. In the north we can see Nepal, China and Bhutan. In the east we can see Bangladesh and Myanmar. So if you count this, there are around 7 countries that share boundary with India, and in the south we saw 2 countries that are Sri Lanka and the Maldives. The next question is, India's total area accounts for about %, of the total geographical area of the world. The correct answer over here is option number C, 2.4%. And the area covered by India is around 3.28 million square kilometers. The next question is, what is the length of the coastline? See here, if the examiner asks the coastline for mainland, the correct answer would become option number C, that is 6100. But if he also includes the island, then it would increase to 7517 kilometers. Now let us see the different names given to coast all around the country. In Gujarat, the coast is known by two names, the Kutch and the Kathiawad. In Maharashtra and Goa, the coast is known as the Konkan coast, and Kerala it is known as the Malabar coast. In Tamil Nadu and some part of Andhra Pradesh, it is known as the Coromandel coast, and above that, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, it is known as the Northern Sarkar. And this is the last slide, and we have to know some of the imaginary lines that exist on Earth. And the first one is 0 degree longitude. The 0 degree longitude is called as the prime meridian, also known as the Greenwich meridian time, and this is used to calculate time around the globe. 180 degree longitude is also known as anti-meridian, also known as the international date line. 0 degree latitude, as we all know, is known as the equator. 23 degree north latitude is known as the Tropic of Cancer. You can see on the map here, this is known as the Tropic of Cancer because it is north of equator. N is used, and because Tropic of Capricorn is south of equator, S is used. The fifth imaginary line is 23.5 degree south latitude, which is also known as the Tropic of Capricorn. Other important lines are 66.5 degree south, which is known as the Antarctic Circle, 66.5 degree north, known as the Arctic Circle, 90 degree north is known as the North Pole, and 90 degree south is known as the South Pole. Thank you for joining me on this MCQ series. I hope you found this video informative and entertaining. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing it. If you got any questions or want to share your thoughts, drop them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Catch you in the next one. Bye for now.